Welcome again to the lecture series on signals and systems. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the time invariant systems and time variant systems. Now we will continue our discussion on the classification of the systems, and today we will see about the causal system and non-causal system. Okay, so what is meant by causal system and what is meant by non-causal system? So causal system means a system whose output is based on past values of input and present values of input. Past values of input and present values of the input, then we can tell that particular system is the causal system. Okay, the system is said to be causal when this condition has been satisfied. What is that condition? Whatever the present output is there, that output should depends upon the generally input, but that input must be the past input or the present input only. That means it should not depend upon the future input. If it is depending upon the future input or future values of the input, then that particular system is called a non-causal system. Okay, so causal system is nothing but physically realizable system. Physically realizable system. But non-causal system is not physically realizable system, because we need the output now. To generate the output now, we need the input which is available in the future. That is nothing but non-causal system, so that is not possible. So physically we cannot realize that particular type of the system, that is non-causal system. Okay, so when you are going to find whether the given system is causal system or non-causal system, you need to check according to this definition only. You need to measure the output based upon the given relationship in between the input and output, where the output should depends upon the past values of the input or the present values of the input. Then we can tell that particular system is the causal system. Otherwise that is the non-causal system. So non-causal system is nothing but anticipatory. So causal system is the non-anticipatory. So we will see the problems on this one. So here verify the causality for the system